Now, after the discussion of income and expenditure, receipt and payment, and balance sheet, we have done lot of discussions. Now, today discussion is related to calculation of consumable item and how this consumable item will be reflected in the income and expenditure account and balance sheet. Consumable item means consumption of or use of sports material during the year, consumption or use of medicine during the year, consumption or use of stationery during the year, as well as stock of medicine at the beginning and at the end of the year, stock of stationery at the beginning and at the end of the year, stock of sports material at the beginning and at the end of the year. Now I'm going to focus one particular item, that is sports material. Today's discussion is related to sports material consumptions and how this sports material will be reflected in the balance sheet. When the information related to sports material is given in the receipt and payment account, and in additional information as well regarding the opening stock of sports material is this, closing stock of sport material is this, out advance to supplier of the sports material opening and closing, and creditors for sports material opening and closing. I'm going to give you one question related to sports material. You just note it down, this question related to the sports material, pause the button, note it down, and thereafter you see that how this problem is going to solve. Now, in the question, you have to prepare income and expenditure account and balance sheet of the 2 year 2008 and 2009. The informations are stock of sports material opening and closing 2008 and 2009. 2008 information is the opening for the 2009. So opening and closing, creditors for sports material in 2008 and 2009, advance to supplier for the sports material opening and closing. In the additional information, it has given that payment to creditors for the sports material during the year was 1,20,000. This information you will get it in the receipt and payment account in the payment side. How much amount is paid to the supplier of sports material. And there one more information regarding cash purchase of sports material, that is 4,000. Now I am going to solve this problem. You have to draw the format of a creditors for sports material, debit and credit, creditors for sports material. So creditors for sports material opening, creditors for sports material is the creditors for sports material at the beginning. The information which is given in the year 2008, that is the opening creditors for sports material, beginning 7,800. This is the beginning, and creditors for the sports material at the end is 9,200. So this is the opening creditors of sports material, and this one is the closing creditors of sports material. I have written in the credit side because it's a liability. Start with the liability, credit side, and this is the balance carried down. Now advance to supplier, opening 15,000, this side you write it 15,000, advance to supplier of sports material, and closing is 25,000. Closing is 25,000. Okay. Payment to supplier for the sports material is 1,20,000, which is given in the additional information 1,20,000. Now we will do the total. This side total is 1,44,200. I'm going to write the same amount in the credit side because debit side total is more than credit side. The credit side only the two item is here whose total is very less than 1,44,200. So the balancing figure will be your stock of sports material used 1,11,400. So this is the balancing figure that indicate that sports material purchased on credit during the year, during the year. Is it clear? Now, next ledger we will operate sports material account. Sports material. So you see the stock of sports material in the beginning, opening stock is 2,200. Closing stock of sports material as on 31st March 2009 is the closing. It is 5,800. This amount stock of sports material purchased during the year, we will write over here 1,11,400 stock of sports material. You may write it this ledger stock of sports material. So stock of sports material account debit to creditors for sports material 1 lakh. This amount from here. Okay. Now difference amount, we'll calculate the difference amount. We'll do the total this side. This side total is 1,13,600. 1,13,600. Same amount I have written in the credit side. The difference amount is 1,07,800. This is the balancing figure. This figure indicate that this amount transferred to income and expenditure account. This amount transferred to income and expenditure account. This is the balancing figure that indicate that sports material consumed during the year. This much sports material the club has consumed means club has used, and this information will be transferred over here 1,07,800. This indicate that sports material consumed during the year which is purchased on credit. This indicate the credit consumed during the year. It's a credit purchase because it comes from the supplier's ledger. And in the question, cash purchase of sports material is also given. Cash purchase of sports material is also given at the last bottom of the question, that is 4,000. So total purchase is 008,111, 1,11,800. Okay, so total credit purchase and cash purchase, now when we add it, it is 1,11,800. Come to the balance sheet. First, previous year balance sheet 2008. This is the income and expenditure account of 31st March 2009. 31st March 2009, current year. Now first you have to see the balance sheet of the previous year. So all the assets and liability of 2008 we are going to write over here in the balance sheet of 2008. So creditors for sports material, last year it is 7,800. Advance to supplier, last year it is 15,000. and stock of sports material last year it is 2200. All the information I have taken from the first column 31st March 2008. If I am going to prepare the balance sheet of the current year, suppose this is the balance sheet of the 2008. Creditors for sports material, advance to supplier, and stock of sports material. If I am going to prepare the balance sheet of 2009, then this figure will change. Account will be same, but the figure will be changed. I am going to take the figure of 2009, 31st March 2009. Stock of sports material, it is 5800. Creditors for sports material 9200. And advance to supplier, it is 25,000. Advance to supplier. So, is it clear? So, any information related to consumable item, if it is given like this, I have taken the example of sports material. Here, sports material, opening stock of sports material, closing stock of sports material, payment to creditors of sports material, advance given to supplier of sports material, opening and closing, okay, and your creditors to sports material, opening and closing. If this type of information has given in the question, then you have to operate the creditors for sports material account. Opening balance of creditor this side, closing balance of creditor this side, advance opening this side, advance closing this side. This information you will get it from the receipt and payment account. Payment to creditors, sports creditors for sports material paid during the year 1,20,000. The difference amount will indicate this much amount of sports material purchased on credit during the year. Thereafter, you prepare the stock of sports material account, opening stock, closing stock of sports material. This amount will be transferred over here, okay, and the balancing figure will indicate that this much sports material consumed during the year, which was purchased on credit, and the suppliers, you write this amount over here. Then cash purchase of sports material. Now when you add the both, you'll get the total sports material consumed during the year. Total sports material consumed. Is it clear? Total sports material consumed. Or we can do this way also. Instead of writing this amount this side, we can write here also to cash account for purchase of sports material for cash. So this will increase by 4,000. It is 7, and it is 1,11,000. Then we can directly write the amount in the outer column, 1,11,800. In the outer column, directly we can write this amount in the outer column. We can write directly because I have reflected the cash purchase of stock sports material over here. So no need to write the cash over here. So this amount is material consumed during the year. Material consumed during the year. material consumed during the year. Opening stock, closing stock of sports material, stock material purchased for cash, stock material purchased on credit. I have taken this amount from there. So balancing figure transferred to income and expenditure account. It's a revenue expense that this much stock material used during the year, sports material used during the year. So this amount which is used during the year will be reflected in the income and expenditure account debit side, and sports material and advance will be reflected in the balance sheet. In 2009, creditors for sports material of 2009 will be taken over here. Advance to supplier for sports material will be taken of the year 2009, and stock of sports material of the 2009. If I am going to prepare the balance sheet of the previous year, then I will take the figure of 2008. Okay.